This is the Daily Market Comment by Marios Hadjikyriacos. I'm Maria Pashurtidis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. Global markets seem to have concluded that this inflation episode will indeed fade soon. Despite U.S. inflation printing 5% in annual terms last week, Treasury yields actually traded lower, and various inflation expectation measures remain under pressure. The verdict is that inflation is here, but it won't last long. It might be the latest signals around Biden's infrastructure package, which seems destined to shrink as political negotiations chip away at its size. With the market coming around to the Fed's own view that inflation will be short-lived, the FOMC meeting on Wednesday is unlikely to deliver any real fireworks. It's still too early for a discussion about an exit strategy from cheap money policies, as the U.S. labor market remains far away from its pre-pandemic glories. While a tapered discussion will probably have to wait until later in the summer, there's still some scope for the Fed to strike a more cheerful tone through upgraded economic forecasts or more officials penciling in a rate hike for 2023. This may have been what lifted the reserve currency on Friday as traders covered some short dollar bets. What is good for the dollar is usually bad for gold, which has lost around 2% in the past two trading sessions and is now testing its recent lows. The positive fundamental setup for gold seems intact over the summer, but the longer-term picture isn't very bright. The last time the Fed tapered around 2013 was a very difficult period for gold. In energy markets, crude oil prices continue to power higher despite signs that diplomats are making progress in the U.S.-Iran nuclear talks, which could end up bringing millions of barrels in lost supply back online. Headlines aside, markets are betting that the deal probably won't happen, at least not immediately. Over in the UK, the economy's complete reopening has been pushed back by 4 weeks. While most of the population has already been vaccinated, the new Indian COVID variant is still spreading quickly, leading the government to delay the reopening of nightclubs and other venues. The pound absorbed the news with only a small scratch, as this delay only impacts a small part of the economy. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.